Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that we are going to come across that video. I'd like to welcome you onto this channel, guys. Yeah, man, I just wanted to give you a quick update with regards to the whole Makhize incident that took place last week. If you did not know, her 20 million rand home was raided last week in La Lucia. It was because they said Guti because she's owing SRs in Malinga with 37 million, like 20 million rand a home, 37 million rand. Hunyebuza ukuthi kanti wayengathathi ingabaningi le ndlu le, because I'm sure she has multiple homes or houses. Why? But either way, yeah, it was raided, and then it was also alleged ukuthi even unkosikazi Andile was also arrested because she was hindering amaphoyisa during the raid. And yes, yeah, however, with all of that being said, it was okay. It was also said ukuthi amaphoyisa were told, abantu be-SARS were told to take izinto lapha kwaMamkhize, at removable assets. Shuthi I think it was to go and pay up, could pay auction, and then bebhadale le mali ayikolodayo. However, it was not specified ukuthi what was taken. But however, now new findings have been allegedly found. It is said ukuthi 40 unlicensed firearms were found kwaMamkhize. 40 ma-firearms, ama-gun, but lokhu-ke lama-guns lawa awekho licensed atholakele kwaMamkhize, and futhi ammunition, ama-bullets, stuff like that. And also luxury cars was also taken. With luxury cars, I'm not shocked ukuthi siyazi vele ukuthi banakho. Yes, even with the bomb and stuff like that, I wouldn't be shocked that they would have, or kungaba khona ibhamu, or each person or each member of the family has their own. But now the problem is when it comes to unlicensed, because when it's unlicensed, the problem is that kulula ukuthi kwenziwe crime isinoma kanjani, and then umuntu mase kwenziwa amaphoyisa masenza uphenyo, when the police are doing investigations to try and find out ukuthi which gun belongs to whom and stuff like that, they will not be able to do that because the gun is not licensed. You understand? So, and it's illegal in South Africa to repossess an unlicensed firearm. You get at least, I did check here on YouTube, on Google, it is stated that you will get at least 15 years behind bars. And that's only if Nakona they say that they find out Guti your intentions were not to do crime or any illegal activities with that gun. Then you'll get that 15 years. Now, I do not know how many years are you going to get or supposed to get if you are carrying 40 guns. 40. And then it is said, she allegedly said that the guns belong to a security company owner that called it up at Tegwini, Guma Coastlands. And the footy did not make with me when they spoke about Indaba Ukuthi, because it seemed like they were also questioning Indaba Ukuthi why the address that she gave them, yeah, like security company, was in the coastlands, and then yeah, that she stay, or the house le lalusha ise indlu le ise lalusha ngathi aba understandanga. Give me when they mentioned that, I do not understand that. I still don't understand that. But with me, what I thought they might be saying or referring to into ukuthi amagana like higher, the guns are here and then they belong to our neighbor. Like, why are the guns, our neighbor's guns, here at our house instead of going straight to the neighbor? But however, another thing, it could also be Uguti, if it's her friend or Ganjan, it could happen Uguti, you can give your friend Uguti, I'll come and fetch it ngelanga lokuthi, and then unfortunately elagini throws you away, and then you have a party, and then kufike kwenziwe i-raid, because i-raid, guys, they do not give you notice ukuthi siyaza ngelanga lokuthi, they just come nje out of the blue. Yeah, so that bekuthola vele red-handed, because okunye people, they tend to evade amaphoyisa and stuff like that, as it was even said ukuthi eqaleni they could not raid is in Makhize before earlier this year. So yeah, it could also be that, and then like Lasha, and then they ended up finding the guns. But 40 unlicensed firearms. Problem is that yes, they can have guns. Okay, cool. But 40 unlicensed, that's the problem. That is the problem. So it was also said to go to the police are doing ballistic tests on the guns, the firearms and stuff like that to find out to go to have they been used or involved in the usage of them in any crime. And I guess lapo okay, once if even see one, I feel like even if they were to find one gun that was involved with crime, they'll definitely try to take her down. As much as she said that Uguti, these guns don't belong to her, they belong to a taxi owner who owns a security company in Tegwin. They will definitely try to take her down. That's how I feel. Or I think. So yeah, man. Sizozwa khona ukuthi kwenzakalani. We haven't heard anything with regards to Tamia, but however, I'm definitely sure I'm keeping a good bail or something like that, you know. um yeah, but ish, yeah, one of these rates, man. Hey, ziyakhala endlini vele bengatholani. Unandlini ngebetho nathi ngebesithona usithola endlini. Yo, because with Teddy, they found baby oil and stuff like that. Go Equatorial Guinea, they found CCTV footage, la famous plus 18 Makhize utholakala unlicensed. Sisazozwa kahle ukuthi kusazowenzakalani and what nje. I'll keep you posted, guys. I'll definitely keep you posted. Let me just check it. There's nothing any leave out. Nope, there's nothing because I wrote everything down. So yeah, guys, enjoy the rest of your day, man. I hope your day was good, and yeah, sure.